Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so students, we have already learnt about seasons. So, how many seasons are there? There are mainly three seasons. Summer season, rainy season and winter season. So we have learned them in detail before. Today we are going to learn about weather. So first of all, weather means weather refers to day-to-day temperatures. It means what is the weather today? How is the weather today? So how it is? It is hot or cold? Is it wet or dry? Is it clear or cloudy? Okay, so let us learn about it. Children, tell me, have you ever watched clouds on a summer day? Some clouds are white, fat and fluffy. They float high in the sky, right? Others are low, grey and thin. Clouds are white because they reflect light from the sun. Few clouds look like fluffy tufts of cotton floating in the sky. These types of clouds we can see on sunny day. Yes. Okay. Few clouds like fluffy tufts of cotton floating in the sky. These types of clouds we can see on sunny day. Okay, sunny day. Now children, sometimes they might take the shape of dragon, a turtle or some other creatures, isn't it? Children, clouds are made out of little drops of water. Do you know that? Yes. Clouds are made of little drops of water. A single cloud can be made of millions of water droplets. Okay, a single cloud can be made of millions of water droplets. Now next, when the sky is full of clouds that you can't see the sun, it's a cloudy day. Okay, when the sky is full of clouds that you can't see the sun, it's a cloudy day. Which day? It's a cloudy day. And what these clouds are saying to us? Children, cloudy sky tells us that rain is on the way. Yes, before rain comes, the clouds are grey in color. It's a cloudy day. Grey clouds are filled with water that they don't reflect light. Okay. Now, let us learn about windy day. Which day? Windy day. We have learnt about sunny day, cloudy day and windy day. Now we are learning about windy day. First, wind means what? moving air is called wind. Sometimes gentle wind blows. धीमी हवा कभी कभी चलती है ना, that is gentle wind. On windy days, strong winds blows at high speed. Windy days पे हवा तेज चलती है. On windy days, strong winds blows at high speed. तेजी से. Do you know, children? Fast moving wind can blow off the roofs of the houses and even uproot trees. तेज हवा से क्या होता है, पेड़ भी कभी कभी गिर जाते हैं. On windy days, children can do the activities like catching leaves of the trees, flying a kite, paper plate rolling, etc. So this way you can enjoy windy day as well. So, do you understand the sunny day, cloudy day and windy day, children? Okay, once again I will tell you. Sometimes what happened, the clouds float high in the sky, right? Few clouds look like fluffy tufts of cotton floating in the sky. These types of clouds we can see on sunny day. Okay? And then cloudy. Now, when we see a cloudy day before rain comes, when the sky is full of clouds that you can't see the sun, it's a cloudy day. Okay? And when on windy day means strong winds blows at high speed, it's a windy day. So children understood sunny day, cloudy day and windy day. Thank you.